Hello, in this easy and quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can list multiple cards in one set listing on eBay. Now, let's say that you want to sell sport cards or whatever you want to sell on eBay. Now, what you need to do is you want to log in into your eBay and then you want to click on sell in the top right, okay, here. And then after that, you want to click on create listing. Okay, so after you click on create listing, you want to enter here the title of your card of your product. Now I'm going to enter this card box, plastic card box, this title here. I'm going to use it as an example. Now here you want to choose here the category. I'm going to select here cards and fan shop, trading cards. I'm going to click on continue and I'm going to select new or use, depends on the condition of your item. After that, you want to scroll down and here you want to enter the images. Now what you need to do next is in the top right there will be three little dots. Click on them, then click on settings, and then you want to enable the variation option. Now after that, you want to scroll down and here you will be able to find the variation option. Click on it. Now after you click on it, what you need to do next is you want to either here enter attributes. If you see here compatibility, card size, or card capacity, if you don't like it, just remove it like this. I'm going to zoom in, remove everything, and in the attributes you can add for example the color or the card capacity, whatever. Now I'm going to add here, for example, card capacity, for example, and here I am going to enter here the options that are available. Now in options I'm going to select, for example, this. Just enter how many cards you have. Okay, now in this case I'm just going to use this as example. For example, I have only 2 cards. Just add the card's name here. If it's sport cards, you want to add the names here, and here this is what your buyer will see when they click on card capacity. They will be able to see these options that you are going to add here. After that, you want to click on continue. Now after that, you want to add the prices. Now to add the prices, the same prices for every listing, every like type or every card, you want to have the same price. Just click here on this one here and then click in enter price, and then you can enter price, for example, $30. As you can see, we have entered $30. If you have like every card you have a picture of that card, you can also click on use default photos, click on card capacity or whatever you named it, and then you can add a picture for every card. Now for example, card 15 and card 35, I can click on card 35 and then I can add the picture that is showing 35, so that the buyer, when they selects the card, the picture will be shown to them. Okay, so that's what I mean exactly. And then click on save and close. That's how you can do it. Very, very simple. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.